Hey everybody, welcome back. Mike Creations, Albany, Georgia. Going to show off a set of wheel lights here. These go out to Earl. These are going on his Slingshot. He's been waiting for these guys, and so we finally got everything put together. We're going to go through the testing process, which is just a real quick process. Each one of these strips is individually tested as they are built, but now that they're assembled on the rings, we're going to test everything as a whole. And so to do that, we just basically plug everything up, and we turn it on. And we just let it go through its auto modes, demo modes. So no flickering, no strobing, no burnt pixels, no dead pixels. Very bright. I've got my power supply set at 14.5 volts, and it will pretty much hold that until it gets to some really, really bright white. 14.5 volts should be the maximum you're running from your alternator. Depending on your voltage health and your requirement needs, your regulator will handle that, but that pretty much should be it. So anyway, I just want to show these off real quick. These are our 96 count lights. For those who don't know, these are the most popular lights that we sell. We've got the 144s, which are new. The 60s we no longer offer. I have some for warranty, but we're not putting those out for sale. These guys here are really, really bright. In fact, we dropped the price of our 96 down to our 60 count price anyway. So we're giving 30% more LEDs at a cheaper price than what most people were selling their 60s for anyway. So you're literally getting more bang for your buck. Anyway, just want to show this off to you guys. If you have any questions, anything like that, reach out and let me know. Appreciate all your love and support. Again, if I didn't say it, there's a link in the video description below to the website where you can see prices and options for the controllers, the power harnesses, wheel lights, different kits, custom strips, whatever you want. So, thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.